So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Microsoft stock, ticker symbol MSFT in Canada using Questrade. So once Questrade's opened up, I want you to either go to the top right and the magnifying glass icon or the bottom left and press on buy and sell. Then at the top here where it says search a symbol, I type in ticker symbol MSFT for Microsoft. At the top, Microsoft Corporation, press on that one. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on buy. You can either select a share quantity order or a dollar amount order, whatever one you want to do. Then go to the bottom, press on next, and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very simplistic, very straightforward. This is how to buy Microsoft stock, ticker symbol MSFT in Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.